Good morning, student. Today, to continue with our chapter Nature and Significance of Management, we'll discuss about objectives of management. What are the objectives? Objective refers to those endpoints for which attainment of which all the activities of organization are undertaken. It can be broadly divided into following three categories: organizational objectives, social objectives, and personal objectives. Now, organizational objectives. Organizational objectives refers to utilization of human and physical resources available in the organization, considering the interest of all the stakeholders. While fixing this objective, management keeps in consideration the benefit of all the related parties like owners, employees, customers, government, shareholders. This also fulfill organization economic objectives, which are survival, profit, and growth. Now, survival. Every organization, when you set an organization, no person in this world will think that I want to. This organization should be come to an end within a year or 6 months, within after 10 years. No, every organization is there for survival. Every business wants to survive for long. So, management, by taking positive decisions with regard to different business activities, should ensure that business survives for a longer period of time. Now, for survival, profit is necessary. The profit plays an important role in facing business hazards and successful running of business activities. So, it must be ensured by management that adequate profit is earned by the business. Because if you are incurring losses, so you can't survive for a longer period of time. Now, growth. Profit leads to growth. Every business wants to grow. Management must ensure growth of business. Growth can be measured by sales, number of employees, products, capital investment, etc. If all these show an increasing trend, then it can be concluded that business is heading towards growth. Now, second is social objective. Because every business organization is a part of society, so we have to keep in mind the society also. It refers to the consideration of the interests of the society during management activities. An organization established in a society, it runs through the resources made to account for social benefits. That is why it becomes the responsibility of every organization to account for social benefits. Thus, social objectives are defined as the fulfillment of responsibility of an organization towards the society. Under this objective, the manager promises to ensure health, safety, and price control. Main social objectives of management are included in the list to make available employment opportunities, to save environment from getting polluted, to contribute in improving living standard of living. Next is personal objective. It refers to the objectives to be determined with respect of employees of the organization. Every organization is a group of people having different nature. These people become a part of organization with a view to fulfill the following three needs. That is financial. First of all, is financial. Every person joins an organization to fulfill his financial needs. These people extract a competitive salary and other perks from an organization. Second is social. These people want to get recognition from the peers. Higher level need, these people want to get sufficient opportunity for personal development, that is autonomy. They want autonomy, decisions should be taken by them. Man has to affect balance between personal and organizational goals in order to establish harmony in the organization, because all the objectives play a vital role for upliftment of the organization. Thank you.